Some very prominent people in the crypto space all expect the XRP Ripple versus SEC lawsuit to end this month. That's right. We're talking huge founders of cryptocurrency projects. We're talking about huge influencers. Now, I preface all of this by saying there's been a lot of rumors about this court case ending sometime, quote unquote, soon. We've heard soon for a while now, but it feels as if we are closer than ever. And maybe, just maybe, all of the people I'm going to reference in this video are correct, that we could get a final verdict this month. And maybe that's why we're seeing the price of XRP really take off here in the last week. Maybe that's why we're seeing whales add to their positions. Maybe that's why we're seeing the most growth on the XRP network that we've seen in a very, very long time. So we're going to cover all of that in this video, guys. Make sure you stay to the end. We've got some great details and insight throughout this video for you. So if you're concerned with XRP, you're an XRP investor, or if you're just looking to learn about what's going on with the lawsuit, when it could end, this is a jam-packed video for you. All I ask, smash that like button. It's totally free. It takes like 0.24 seconds. And obviously, subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's start here. Cardano founder and Altcoin Daily, among others, all expect the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit to end this month. Right now, at the time of this recording, it's June 3rd. Now, we'll see what happens, but Brad Garlinghouse recently went on record as well, saying that we are weeks away, not months. Weeks away, not months. And that video, I just made it on the channel. It wasn't too long ago that he said that, within the last week or so. Now, let's dive into some of the specifics here, because there are a ton of stakeholders here who want to know when this will be resolved, right? Now, crypto community members have been anticipating the outcome here for a very long time. More than 2 years we've waited, right? Even though the case has been fully briefed in the United States Southern District Court of New York, no one knows the exact date when the case will be concluded. Widespread speculation is, though, that a multi-year legal battle could end very soon. Top crypto stakeholders speculate that the final resolution of the Ripple lawsuit could happen this month. During a surprise AMA on May 31st, Hoskinson disclosed that Ripple's lawsuit could be resolved in June. He made this known after a viewer asked him if the case could end anytime soon. He says, "Yes, I do. I think it's probably next month," which would be this month. Now, on June 1st, prominent cryptocurrency YouTuber and Twitter account Altcoin Daily tweeted this: "Rumor is the Ripple SEC case ends this month." That came out 2 days ago. Interestingly enough, an XRP community member, Ashley Prosper, shared a series of events pointing to the possibility of the lawsuit being resolved in June. Some events include Garlinghouse's remarks that we referenced earlier on in the video, the upcoming release of Hinman's emails, and just where the lawsuit stands right now. Now, this has been a high-profile lawsuit, no doubt about it, and it's going to set a precedent for the entire cryptocurrency market. It's attracted attention of all and everyone in crypto. If you don't hold XRP, it doesn't matter. This is going to affect you. If you hold any altcoin other than Bitcoin, this outcome is going to affect you, because Garlinghouse has said this. Many others have said this. This is setting up a precedent in terms of how this market will be regulated from this point forward. Now, recently I put out a video right before this one talking about the House Republicans, talking about their bill to basically make all cryptocurrencies commodities. We don't really have insight or intel yet on that. Maybe they do, though. Maybe that's why they put the bill forward when they did. Maybe they know something we don't. Maybe they know that the Ripple lawsuit is going to end soon. Now, Ripple now has reportedly spent over $200 million defending itself. The last time we had a number was over $100 million. Now that number is over $200 million, and it's executive against the SEC in court. The lawsuit has been fully briefed, with a resolution expected very, very soon. This thing started way back in December of 2020, and we could be right around the corner from a final verdict that could have drastic implications on the entire cryptocurrency market. We shall see. We'll be right here Ready to break it down for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. You're not going to want to miss what we put out here every single day. Every single day. We've got you covered. Appreciate you guys so much. Love you all out there. And see you again. See you very soon. Bye.